Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to create an account on X formerly known as Twitter. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create an account there. So follow these steps and you'll be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is you have to log in. Now I already have an account here, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down, click on this icon right here on the right side, and then come here and click on create new account. So they're going to ask for my name. And let me just put my phone number and date of birth and I'll get back to you. So guys, I've used my email instead of my phone number. So they have sent an email. Let's just verify it right away. Here you go. Let me create a password for it. So now they'll ask us to keep a profile picture, select a profile picture. We can just upload one or we can just select from this emoji right here. I'm going to do this for the time being. So they're going to ask for a username. Here you go. So now they're telling us about the basic, information and the nitty-gritty of X, how we can use it and stuff. They're asking if they want to sync, if we want to sync the contacts that we have on our phone. I'm going to go with don't allow for the time being. Now they'll ask us what kind of content do we want to see. So let's select next. And now they're going to ask us what kind of, content we want to see from the genre we previously selected. I'm going to click next for the time being. And now they are asking to follow us some accounts. That's mandatory if you want to do the next step. So I'm going to follow Elon Musk, PlayStation, Rockstar Games. Next. So here you guys, finally we have created the account. We want to go to our profile. We can just go here and you can see this is the account that we just created. It was created on March 25, 2025, as written here. And we can just scroll and see news, or we can just uh, write tweets for the general public. We can post anything. That's completely up to us. So this is how we create an account on Twitter or X. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.